Hi, everyone. Welcome to our 𝐀𝐿 Global podcast. I'm 𝐈𝐭 head of 𝐀𝐿 Labs at 𝐀𝐿 Global, and today I have the pleasure of being joined by Bala. Bala, thank you so much for taking some time to join me today. Please take a moment to introduce yourself and share more about your role and your passion that's gotten you into the technology field.
Hi everyone, I'm Bala. I'm principal consultant. I've spent over a decade in application development working with technologies like Java, Python, and SAS across industries such as healthcare, insurance, and railways, logistics, etc. So over the time, I've realized that technologies is not about just writing a code. It's just about solving real problem for real people. At 𝐀𝐿, that's what exactly we focus on. We don't just build what clients ask for. We go further to make systems smarter, faster, and more reliable, combining our technical expertise with deep industry understanding.
Fantastic. Can you share a practical example, Bala, of one project you might have implemented with a client and the type of benefit they received?
Yeah, absolutely. One project that stands out is an invoice and packing list automation solution we built for a client. The client is from leading shipping client from Dubai. So they used to manually match line items between invoice and packing list, often scan PDF using Excel by line. It was slow and error prone and consumed every hours and days, waste of time it is. So we decided to completely reimagine the process using large language model LLM and optical character recognition OCR. So the LLM read and converted the PDF into structured one, while OCR double checked for accuracy. Together they worked like a two-layer intelligent system, one reading and understanding, the other validating. If mismatch were found, the system flagged the instantly for review. The result is a 90% of reduction in processing time, improved accuracy, and a fully automated scalable workflow. So altogether, the clients are happy and we happy that deliver a good project to the client with the latest technology in current market.
Wow, fantastic, Bala.
Yeah.
So exciting to see you and the team using some of the latest emerging technologies like LLMs and OCR. And it seems like you've indeed had a huge client impact with them. Any other takeaways or lessons learned that you'd like to share from this project?
For me, the project is a reminder that technology's purpose is empowerment, not replacement. So when we thoughtfully combine human intelligence with machine intelligence, we create a solution that free people from repetitive work and allow them to focus on what truly matters. That's what drives us, building robust intelligence application that makes a measurable difference every day. This project is just one example of what possible when innovation meets intent.
Thanks for sharing that fantastic philosophy, Bala. And thanks for being here today to share some of the exciting wins that you and the team have had.
Yeah, thank you so much and happy.
And for those of you who would like to work with expert consultants like Bala to build your next data analytics and AI solution using some of the latest emerging technologies, feel free to reach out to us at contact@𝐀𝐿global.com. Thanks, and until next time.